Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so first up, we've got this structure. And triple bonds have to be linear on either side, right? So if you draw the triple bond like this, then the bonds have to be coming straight out, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. That would be the correct way to draw that. Next, we have what should be cyclohexanol. And you don't want to draw, like that bond is not to the hydrogen, it's to the oxygen. So you draw the bond to OH, not HO, right? Okay, this next one's not so bad, it's just a weird angle. Right, so they've drawn this. The bond should be coming straight out of that corner. That's the only difference there. Right, so if you have 3 bonds all convening at the same place, they need to be separated basically by about 120 degrees on the page. Okay, next we've got another issue with, in this case, we have too many bonds coming from this carbon, right? There's 5 bonds. There's a double bond and 3 single bonds. Carbon can have a maximum of 4 bonds, so likely this structure should be something like this. Only 2 bonds coming out of that. sp2 hybridized carbon. Now we've got another one that has to do with the angle things are drawn at. So again, if you do happen to draw 4 things coming from a carbon, you never want to end up with a bond that's in like a little triangle like that. So what you would really want to do instead of that, so this is how it is, but the way you'd want to draw it is more like an X, right? So you don't want to put a bond in like a little crook like that, right? So this should be more like that. Okay, and this last one, again, the issue is similar to the cyclohexane. So this is a phenyl, and the bond just needs to be to the P, right? So if need be, what you'd want to do is have it go little h, big P. Probably not, though. That's not really perfect. So what's the most preferable thing is to give yourself plenty of room and just draw pH like that. So the bond is clearly going to the P, right? And that's phenyl, so that's basically like a benzene ring is what phenyl means.